Hey everybody, it's CRB here at Bill Thomas Camper Sales. We have a brand new floor plan to show you. It's the 3210BH by Grand Design Imagine. It's got an outdoor kitchen with 2 doors, power awning, and check out the inside. Alrighty here, as soon as we walk in, you have your island, your pantry, 12-volt refrigerator and solar. You have a dinette, and then your TV's right above it. A little bar. And check out the seating. 4 recliners, heat and massage, so everyone can have a comfy seat in the house. Tons of floor room too, so plenty of space for extra mattresses. Look at all that room. Now we're gonna check out the bunk room. You have 4 bunks. Plus you have a little easy access door, so you can store your stuff. Maybe put a little bike in here as well. You have a pass-through bathroom with lots of storage for your towels, cleaning solutions, all that good stuff. Tons of room, you can actually change your clothes in here. And your master bedroom. 2 ACs, got a private door so you can exit out if you wake up first. And a spot for a TV right over there. Check it out, we just got this one in stock. Make sure you ask for me, Sierra. We'll see you soon. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to ask for me, Sierra. See you soon.